class today, you might want to gather a watering can and a yellow and blue ribbon or scarf.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our story time ballet class. Now if you've forgotten, my name is Miss Amy and I can't wait to dance with you today. I'm so excited. In our ballet class today, we're going to be going on a magical adventure as we dance through the garden. But before we begin, there's just a couple things that we need to check. So the first thing is that we make sure that we're wearing something that's safe for us to dance in and we're not going to trip over any long capes or anything like that. The second thing is that we need to make sure that there's a grown-up staying in the room with us all the time, and even better if they join in with us, okay? And then the third thing that we just need to check is that our dance space is all clear and tidy and we don't have any toys that have been left out or anything like that that we might trip over and hurt ourselves. So if you need to pause the video here to tidy up, you can do that now. Now that we're all ready, can you make sure that you watch, listen and copy me very, very carefully? Now we're going to make sure that our bodies are nice and warm, so why don't we get ready to warm up together? All right, so we're just going to start lying down on our sides, eyes closed, having a lovely little dream. All right, dancers. Now gently we're going to roll onto our back and stretch our fingers and our toes in opposite directions. So we're like a long piece of string. Really stretch, reach. Now I wonder if you can reach your knees in and give them a hug. You can rock side to side like a little baby, that's okay. And we're going to reach our toes down nice and long. And can you try wiggling your toes for me? Wiggle your feet. Wiggle your knees. And we're going to reach our fingertips up. Wiggle our fingers. Wiggle our arms. And then gently we're going to sit up nice and tall. And we're going to glue our feet together and have a big yawn. Oh, I'm still a bit sleepy. I'm going to have a rest on my feet. And have another stretch. Oh, and have a little rest over. And one big stretch. We're going to stand up to the sky. Oh, big yawn. And we're going to reach down and try and touch our toes and keep your bottom up really high. And another one, up so high. And reach down for your toes. And one more, even higher, up on your tippy toes this time. Oh, did you hear that? It's the alarm. That means it's time to wake up, so we're going to run all the way around on our tippy toes. That's it. Back to where we started. And we're going to have our feet in our first position. Hands on our hips, smiles on our lips, and our heads nice and tall. What a beautifully sunny day it is, everyone. What shall we do today in the sun? I know. Shall we all go outside into the garden and do a little bit of gardening? I think that would be a really good idea. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to get our wellies and our watering can and go and inspect all the garden. So we're going to start with our feet glued together and our legs glued together, and we're standing very, very tall. So first things first, we need to put on one welly boot. Very carefully. Can you see if you can do this with your feet? I think we need to try with the other welly boot as well. Let's pop it on and try our feet open and close. Oh, very nice. Can you show me your beautiful welly bobs? Beautiful. Have a look. And close. And the other one. And close. we should go and get our watering can now. That's it, reach down, knees do not bend, and let's go and inspect the garden. I'm doing my lovely high knees marches. And you do your knees very high as well. That's it, really tall bodies. That's it, around we go. Oh gosh, we're going to have to do a lot of gardening today, everybody. That's it, and we finish nice and tall. Okay, dancer, so now it's time for us to plant some beautiful flower seeds in the soil. But we're going to have to be very careful. So I'm going to take some seeds. Wonder what colour seeds you've got today. I've got pink sparkly ones. I'm going to use my soft ballet fingers. And then I'm also going to use my toes to plant some seeds. When we do the toes, we have to be very careful, okay? Ready? Ballet fingers, picking up a seed. And 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 4, good, reaching, oh, let's water it, shall we? Very nice watering, everyone. And then let's stand up tall, and we're going to point our ballet toes carefully. And close, standing tall. Let's try the other foot, really gentle with those points. See if you can keep your legs nice and straight. We need to put lots of water now. Let's go. Very carefully and nice and slow. We don't want the water to go everywhere, do we? I'm going to put my watering can down and show everybody, look at my garden. Now, dancers, do you know 2 really important things to make the flowers grow? That's right, we've got the rain and the sun. Can you see I've got my beautiful ribbons here? So you can use a blue and a yellow ribbon as well, or maybe even a scarf or even a piece of tissue paper is absolutely fine. So when we hear the music be very slow, we're going to do lots of different shapes all around the garden with our rain ribbon. And when we hear the music go very fast, we're going to do lots of shapes all around the garden with our sun ribbon as well. Do you think you can have a go with me? I think it's going to be the slow one first, so let's go all the way around, and you can do anything that you like all around the garden, making lovely big soft slow moves with your ribbon. Oh, there's the fast one. That's it, faster, 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 lots of lovely shapes. Oh, there's our lovely slow rain again. Maybe we can pop it all on those seeds that we just planted. Maybe we could even do some really big swooshing. Oh, let's do some sharp sunshine shapes. Now, I wonder if you could do both together and do a big rainbow over the top. Oh, quick! And finish. I think the seeds might be getting ready to grow now because they've had lots of rain and lots of sun and lots of lovely soil. So how do seeds start? I wonder if you can go very, very small, like a little tiny seed. Let's have a go. tall plants you all turned into, everybody. Well done. Now, if you could be any flower, what kind of flower would you be? I'd be a sunflower. I think I'd love to be a very tall and yellowy, sunny sunflower. Now, I think all of us flowers should go for a lovely dance around the garden. So we're going to go and do lots of lovely skipping. And when the music stops, we have to freeze and balance on one leg. I wonder if you can balance on one leg. Let's see if you can balance without any wobbles. Let's go. Lovely skipping. Oh, see if you can balance. Let's go again. Oh, balance. Good job. Let's go again. Oh, balance. And one more balance. Ooh. Now, dancers, there's someone who lives in our garden who's very small and green and who likes to crawl all along the branches in the garden. Do you know who it is? That's right, it's the caterpillar. So we're going to turn into a little caterpillar now, and we're going to crawl and roll all around the garden. Now we're going to start on our tummies, because caterpillars, they crawl on their tummies, don't they? So we're going to crawl as far as we can go all the way across, and see if you can keep your tummy on the floor the whole time, and don't let your bottom come up very high, okay? So we're going down nice and low. Keep that tummy down. Here we go. We're going to go crawling, 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 crawling. That's it. Keep going. That's it. We don't need to be very fast. That's it. Keep crawling. And now can you stretch really long? I wonder if you can do a roly-poly. Can you roly-poly? Good job, everyone. Now I think I want to go crawling somewhere else this time. So I'm going to stretch on my tummy. Here we go. Crawling. 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 That's it, keep going. And can you lie very long? Be a long caterpillar. And let's see if we can do our roly-poly again. Whee! Very good, caterpillars. Well done. Excellent caterpillar crawls, everybody. You did such a good job, and your roly-polies as well. Now, do you know what caterpillars turn into when they grow up? Yes, that's right. They turn into beautiful butterflies. Can you stretch your beautiful butterfly wings for me? They can be any color that you like today. I think I'm going to have rainbow butterfly wings today. And we're going to go and fly all around the beautiful garden and land on all of those lovely flowers that grew earlier in our ballet class today. So when we hear the music, we're going to stop and put our feet together and land on a flower and flutter our wings behind us. Will you have a go with me? Ready? Rising up, stretch your wings. And let's see if we can fly with our knees up high and high up on our tippy toes. Oh, there's that fluttery music. Land on a flower. Here we go again. Beautiful wings, everybody. Oh, let's land on a flower. Good job. Here we go again. Big wings. Oh, flutter, land on a flower. Very nice. Let's go again. Really high on our tippy toes. Flutter. One more go. Here we go. Big flapping. Beautiful wings. And flutter. Well done, dancers. What beautiful flying you did with your gorgeous butterfly wings and landing on all of those lovely flowers. That's all we have time for today, but I hope you're going to join us in the garden for our next Storytime ballet class together. Now all we've got time for is to sing our bye-bye song together. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. See you next time.